Welcome to the Beginner's Guide to Fidelity Margin Account, a comprehensive tutorial designed to help you understand the basics of margin trading and how to get started with a Fidelity margin account. First, let's define what a margin account is. A margin account is a type of brokerage account that allows you to borrow money from the brokerage firm to purchase securities. This can be a powerful tool for investors, but it also comes with significant risks. To open a Fidelity margin account, you need to meet certain requirements, including being at least 18 years old, having a valid Social Security number, and meeting the minimum account balance requirements. Once you have opened your account, you will need to understand the concept of margin and how it works. Margin is the amount of money that you borrow from the brokerage firm to purchase securities. The margin requirement is the percentage of the purchase price that you must pay in cash. For example, if the margin requirement is 50%, you will need to pay 50% of the purchase price in cash and the remaining 50% will be borrowed from the brokerage firm. It's also important to understand the concept of margin calls. A margin call occurs when the value of the securities in your account falls below the minimum required margin. When this happens, you will be required to deposit more cash or securities into your account to meet the margin requirement. To avoid margin calls, it's essential to monitor your account balance and the value of your securities regularly. You should also have a solid understanding of the risks associated with margin trading, including the potential for significant losses if the market moves against you. Best practices for using a Fidelity margin account include starting with small amounts of margin, monitoring your account balance regularly, and having a solid understanding of the risks associated with margin trading. It's also essential to have a long-term investment strategy and to avoid using margin to purchase securities that are highly volatile or have a high risk of default. In conclusion, a Fidelity margin account can be a powerful tool for investors, but it requires a solid understanding of the risks and rewards associated with margin trading. By following the best practices outlined in this tutorial and taking the time to educate yourself on the basics of margin trading, you can use a Fidelity margin account to help you achieve your investment goals.